Hi students, I am Pawan, your science master. Today I would like to speak to 6th standard students. Students, in this video we are going to get a clarification about FA1 test. In this test, I have designed a question paper. I have already posted that question paper to you in our WhatsApp group. You can see the question paper, and the question paper is as follows. See, that question paper is first lab activity for 10 marks, that will be divided by 2, then you will get 5 marks. And then second question, project work, that will also be same like lab activity marks. 10 by 2 is equals 5 marks. Next, third question, written work. Here you may have confusion. How do I see your written work? There is nothing confusion. You just write your index page, the content of the textbook, the science textbook content lessons there, no? All the lesson names you should write in first page after cover page, you know, that index page you make. In that you have to present all the lesson names, and that you have to post. That also carries 10 marks. And that will also be divided by 2, then that carries 5 marks. Here total how many marks for these works? 15 marks. And how many marks are remaining? 5 marks are remaining. Still 5 more marks are remaining. That 5 marks are for slip test. Here the slip test will be for 20 marks, and that will be divided by 4, that carries 5 marks. Okay, the questions are given for slip test. You can see the question paper. Okay, there are the questions like 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, like this. Question number. What is this? Question number. When you write the answer for these questions, you should mention the question number very clearly. I don't want you to write the questions again, because the question paper is already with me. If you mention the question number, that is enough. Okay students, you just mention the number of the question in the answers book, you just write it. So that's enough, and all of these things you should write in where? A project book. Students, you already have a project book for all the subjects, right? In the same way, you have to write the project, all the things in the project book. Okay, the order should be like this: first lab activity should be written, then project work should be done, then written work. You don't write this written work in the project book, but this is shown. Your written work means, you know, that lessons that you write your notes, first lesson, second lesson, third lesson notes, right? That written work should be presented. But here I am only asking to show only the index page of your notebook. That's enough. But in the next till the next FA, that means FA2, till FA2 you have to present all the lessons and the question and answers in your notebook. At least 5 questions should be presented in your notebook, students. Okay students, that you don't forget, that you have to show till next FA. Okay, for this FA I am just asking only the index page of the notebook. Okay, and the notebook should also be very clean and neat. Do not make any scratches, and I already explained about all the things to how to maintain your notebook. The maintenance of your notebook will carry the marks first of all. Okay, and also I will see your handwriting. Okay, the handwriting should also be very clean and neat. You should not make any scratches. You should not do any scribblings on cover page, back cover page, or inside the front cover page and back cover page, like that. You should not make any scratches, scribblings, or anything else. Okay, students, this is the question paper, how you have to write. The portion for FA1 is this is FA1. This is for FA1. Okay, the portion for this FA1 is chapter 1. What is chapter 1? Our food is the portion for this FA1. Students, I want you to write answers and post your answers only in my WhatsApp number. You have to post your answers to my WhatsApp number. Do not post your answers in the group. Okay, students? If you write answers and others will also see your answers and copy, right? Should not do like that. You should answer. This is because this is a test. You have to write your answers and you just directly post to my number, and I record your your answers, and I will give marks to that as well. Okay, students, this is about the question paper of FA1 students. Okay, you follow like this and get good marks. I am expecting. All the best, students. See you. Yes, students, and moreover, I wanted to give very clear cut information about the answers. Answers should be written in a systematic order. Okay, if you write the question also, that's okay, but if you don't write the question also, that's okay, but you should write the number, that you don't forget. Okay, the number is important. Students, here you may have another confusion. All of this, lab activity, project work, written work, and slip test, this you don't write anywhere, right? This is your FAIR notebook. Okay, written work is related to the FAIR notebook, and lab activity, project work, and slip test, these three things, 1, 2, 3, these three things should be written in your project book. Okay, students, and you should write the heading lab activity in one paper and start lab activity in another paper. Okay, same like the project work also, slip test also. Next, you use what? One side rule notebook, right? One side rule notebook. Here in one side rule notebook, should write, if you are going to write the lab activity, if this is your notebook, if it is your notebook, this is plain, this is ruled. Okay, and on plain page, if any diagrams there, you have to draw the diagrams on plain page here, and if if no diagrams, you just leave it off, and then you have to write the matter only on ruled page. Okay, and if this page is not enough to complete the matter that the lab activity has, then you have to turn and should not write plain page. You should not write on plain page. Okay, and again you have to write that remaining matter on ruled page of this notebook. Okay, students, this is how you have to follow. And after this lab activity is done, then you have to put heading project work. Okay, after lab activity is done, you turn the pages and the papers and put heading project work and write the same like lab activity, same like that. And you have to write the matter on right side page, on ruled page. The matter should be on ruled page, plain page should be left. Okay, and if any table or if any diagrams and all, if information table, that should be written on plain page. Okay, the written matter, that whatever that you have, that should be written in ruled page. Okay, students, and slip test, that slip test should be written on both the sides. You don't leave plain page for slip test. Okay, you have to use plain page as well. Okay, if you are writing the slip test, you write all you write answers on plain page and ruled page as well. Okay. Students, so this is how you can maintain your notebook and you can write the slip test. All the best.